Today I'm making breakfast burritos. My buddy Luke at the Cookin Camper made some amazing breakfast burritos last week and I just haven't been able to get them out of my mind. You can press the CC button to turn on subtitles or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. I'm going to be making chorizo, potato, and cheese burritos with an optional cheese sauce. And I'll be using two types of cheese for this, queso fresco inside the burrito and chihuahua cheese on top. We're starting things off today with our burrito filling. In a hot pan, I'm squeezing out about a quarter of this package of chorizo. Better make that half the package. Get a whole package of chorizo. I ended up cooking the other half off camera. We're just breaking this up and keeping it moving until it's cooked through and looks like ground beef. Now we're going to transfer the chorizo to a bowl and add 2 small diced potatoes right into the chorizo grease. Just keep an eye on these moving occasionally for about 15 minutes or until cooked through and crispy. Add some salt to taste, 1 small onion diced, and cook until softened. Add in our cooked chorizo, mix it in, and continue cooking to really develop the flavors, letting the extra chorizo grease saturate the potatoes. When it comes to assembly, you'll quickly warm up your tortilla. I use the microwave. Add half the filling into the bottom, keeping it centered, followed by about a quarter cup of queso fresco, and about a quarter of an avocado sliced. Then, take both sides of the tortilla and fold them in. Holding these flaps down, we're going to pull up the bottom and wrap it over the fillings, tucking it under and rolling to seal. Now let's go ahead and toast this, seam side down in a hot pan, just for a few seconds until nicely burned. Until nicely browned. Nice. Flip it over, repeat, and enjoy. Or, we can get crazy and make some cheese sauce to top it with. Yeah, let's do that. I'm starting off with half a tablespoon of butter in a pot and stirring until melted before adding in half a tablespoon of flour and whisking together until smooth. Cook a minute to get rid of the raw flour taste. Add in about a quarter cup of milk and continue whisking until it begins to thicken. Add in a quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 ounces of chihuahua cheese, and mix to melt the cheese, adding in milk as needed to reach the desired consistency. I ended up using another quarter cup. This is just a scaled down version of the cheese sauce I made for my carne asada nachos. Make sure you check those out if you haven't already. Now spoon on some of that luscious liquid gold, a little bit of pico de gallo. I'll link to a video where I made pico de gallo in case you need a recipe. And you've got the perfect breakfast burrito. Now, like most classic Mexican dishes, this one's greatness comes from its simplicity using hearty ingredients. This is a fantastic, classic flavor combination of hearty potatoes and smoky chorizo, mingling with the milky, tangy cheese and the freshness of the pico de gallo. Thanks again to the Cookin Camper for the inspiration for this video. If you enjoyed this, you'll love his burritos, so make sure to go check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, please do subscribe. If you're a regular, thank you so much for sticking with me, appreciate it. And I hope to see you all next Thursday.